Hello everyone, and welcome to Play With Me Toys for Kids. Here I have some bouncing putty that you just saw in a previous video, and I concluded that it's very similar to silk clay. But today I'm gonna mix this bouncing putty with intelligent clay. So for that I have this one that is Snowstorm Intelligent Clay, and it looks very cool. I really like this one. It's see-through and it's very glittery. So I'm gonna grab a piece of it and I'm gonna mix it with the bouncing putty, and I want to see if they mix really well and how they turn out, if the consistency changes or the color, and I want to see how it looks. So I'm gonna grab a small portion of the bouncing putty and mix it with intelligent clay. And apparently they are very well mixing and blending. And it turns into a very sticky mix. Look, it stays in my fingers. Oops. Okay, but I want to see if we can see some glitter in it. So let's see. Yeah, there are small glitter particles. And they mix very well. Maybe if we try a different color of intelligent clay, we can see if they actually mix completely. So for that I'm gonna grab this Strawberry Shake intelligent clay, and this one is pink and has glitter as well. So this one has a darker color, and let's grab some of the bouncing putty and see if they mix completely. So let's go ahead. This one is bouncing putty with Snowstorm, and we're doing now the mix between bouncing putty and Strawberry Shake intelligent clay. And apparently they're mixing very well, just like the other one. And it's becoming very sticky. It stays on my fingers easily. And the colors blended together, and we can see that this is a lighter color than the original bouncing putty. It's lighter, so let's compare it. Yeah, the original bouncing putty is darker, and the one that is mixed with the Strawberry Shake is lighter because we mix it with pink, and it's glittery. So here we have both. They mixed very well. This one is very sticky. I don't know why. It's staying in my fingers. See? But they mixed perfectly. So bouncing putty and intelligent clay can mix and be almost like a new mix. So that's very good. And how about you? Do you have any ideas of what other things we can test? What other mix you want to see, or what do you want us to try? Please write it in the comments below. I'll be happy to read it. Thank you for watching Play With Me Toys for Kids. Please subscribe to our channel and be the first one to know when new videos are posted. Share this video with your friends, and see you next time!